Have you ever wondered what exactly happens when Disney refurbishes one of your favorite attractions? I know that I have, but I don't think I was fully prepared for the answer. We all know Disney's been around for decades making theme parks, and some of these attractions are just as old. So how does Disney refresh the magic, making sure that some of its most popular attractions can keep running for decades to come? Well, Disney Parks invited me behind the scenes to get a very rare exclusive look at the Central Shops, which is located near Magic Kingdom. In this lockdown backstage location, cast members work diligently to keep the attractions fresh. So first thing is, what exactly does Central Shops do? They're in charge of making sure these attractions run well, and this could be anything from roller coaster cars to audio-animatronics. If something isn't quite working to standard, Disney will bring it back to Central Shops, where cast members will address whatever issue the attraction needs and replace it, refurbish it, and more. And this could include anything from repainting dolls on It's a Small World to even replacing the tiny hairs on the baby elephant's trunk that belongs in Jungle Cruise. Really, if anything isn't looking top-notch, Central Shops is there to make sure that it's refreshed again. So now you might be wondering, at least I was, how does Disney exactly know when something needs refurbishment? Is it just that the train doesn't work, the doll stops moving, the elephant just looks a little faded? Well, it could be as simple as that. However, many times Disney will actually run diagnostics on a routine basis. So every attraction, every part, and even the buildings of the attractions will undergo a routine inspection, and this could include things that the naked eye couldn't see, like scans to see if there might be a replacement part needed for a cracked bolt or something similar. So oftentimes things might look perfectly well, however, the wear and tear of these attractions running may soon spell that some things need a little bit of change up in the near future. As soon as Disney catches wind of something like this, they will schedule a refurbishment, bringing back parts of the attraction or maybe even large parts of the attraction into Central Shops. And this is where it gets pretty crazy. Because some of these attractions are decades old, they may not have available replacement parts. For anyone who's ever remodeled their home, they know exactly what I'm talking about. But the cool thing is Central Shops can do everything right on property. Using some incredible technology, I wish I could show you, but they didn't let us film these machines. They're actually able to create their own nuts and bolts and whatever other replacement parts on property, like I said, for any refurbished attraction. In fact, they'll also work with Disney Imagineers to make sure that these pieces are right, and this could maybe include plans Imagineers had originally when they created the attraction. So if it's a piece of a Space Mountain ride vehicle that doesn't really exist anymore or was custom made to begin with, Central Shops can go back in, recut a new piece of metal or whatever needs replacement, and insert it back from there. But what really caught me off guard was seeing that some of these attractions actually get completely broken into every single little piece, and then very skilled engineers look over all of these different parts, examining them to make sure that they're exactly right before the ride can get put back together. If something does need replacement, that's when they'll recut those special parts, they'll put it back in. Even if there's just a little wear and tear, they might do the same thing. The attraction will get put back together piece by piece, making sure that everything is correct. So exactly how long does this take? Well, as we know, Disney refurbishment schedules can vary greatly. But for example, a roller coaster can take up to 18 weeks to be refurbished. And even after all of that is done, Disney will take a couple more weeks to refurbish the attraction, running it on the coaster track without any riders. So if you've ever seen a coaster train pass you by, not load any riders, and then just keep running, and you're like, hey, why couldn't we get on that one? It is very likely that it's still under refurbishment and still needs a couple weeks of running on its own before riders can get on it. But these cast members in Central Shops are confident that when the process is done, everything is totally safe, with one cast member even saying he would be the first to ride with his family, the people he cares about the most, on that coaster once the refurbishment is done. It's just great to see that some of these cast members care as much about these rides as we do as a refurbishment, so they can go back into action and have guests riding them. I hope you enjoyed this look behind the scenes at Walt Disney World at the Central Shops. If you could see behind the scenes of any attraction, which would it be? I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. I'm David Vaughn. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Disney Parks fun.